Hi everyone, this is Gabriela. We are in Moodle for Teachers Evo Session 2018. This is week number 3 and this video tutorial is on blogging on Moodle as a student. So let me show you how to export some entries or some information to your blog. I'm going to click on forums, and because I want to export one of my participations in the forums, let me check which one. Authentic learning, so click here. Now once you are there in the forum, I will scroll down to find my posts. Let me find my name. Where is my name? Okay, I think it's here. No. Okay, here it is. Okay, so I'll click on Authentic Learning and I find my post. This is it, and I want to export it. So click on Export to Portfolio and let's select the destination. I want to export it to the blog portfolio. Click on Next. Configure the data as HTML, as a private draft, or no, I'm going to public published, and I want to have the possibility to edit after exported. So click on this and Next. Surely, yeah, you have to confirm this export, so click on Continue. Let's see. And it says portfolio export complete. So you can return to where you were, or you can continue to portfolio. So I want to continue to check my entry. Here it is. Okay, remember that I exported it as HTML. That's why it appears like this. Okay, so I'm going to change the name. It was Authentic Learning, yes, and save changes. So now here you have my entry. I have added some entries before, okay, and the other day I could change the format of my entry. I don't know why I couldn't today, but well, the important is that I could show you how to export material to your blog. Okay, well, thank you for watching me, and bye bye.